So this lateral movement is much too much. You can actually use an SDS machine to drive screws like this. Traditionally, you would probably use something like this or a drill driver with the butt holder, etc. You know. But if you use a standard butt holder like this here, it'll just not work. But did you know you can get a butt holder with the SDS end on it? With the SDS Plus attachment. And with this butt holder, you can easily drive screws like that. So here we have it, Bosch GS hitch 5E, and if you do this with a lead, here's a little pressure washer I was given to fix, but I couldn't fix it because there was nothing wrong with it. But it wasn't going, but it's going now. Anyhow, if you have one of these washers and she stops dead without warning, there's a screw on either side here like this. Then you get the lid off like that. Yep, just like that. And if you reach under here, you'll feel a little button just on there. You press it and you'll hear it click. That's your reset button. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other content.